In this lesson, I will explain to you question number 18, exercise 1.1, linear equations and inequalities. And question number 18, we have y over 2 negative 3y, which is equal to 5 minus 2y over 3. Right, I will write down this question here one more time, because see here there is no denominator. 3 over y, it means it's 1. Same thing, 5 numerator is there is no denominator, just divided by 1, it means 1. And this question is in the form of fraction. So I have told you, if you have a fraction, we can solve this question by taking LCM, and there are some other methods as well. But the easiest way is you have to eliminate the fraction, the denominator. So you have to multiply each term in such a way that your denominator should be eliminated. So see, this is 2 and here is 1, here is 1, here is 3. 2 1 times 2, it remains the same. Just multiply this 2 and 3. So 2 3 times 6. Multiply each term with 6. Like this. Each term with 6. So 2, 1 times 2, 2, 3 times 6. This will remains the same because in denominator we have 1. Now we have 1, 1, 1 in the denominator. 3, 1 times 1, 3, 2 times 6. So here we have only 3y left. Negative 6, 3 times 18y is equal to 30 minus 2, 2 times 4, 4y left. All the denominators are 1, so there is no need to write down the denominator. Now see, in this way we have removed the denominator. Fraction is removed. Now we have this equation. So this is 3y and this is negative 8y. This is 18y. This is also a negative 4y. So we have to bring this to the other side of the equation. It means we have to take the transpose. So the sign will change. Only 30 we have on the right hand side. So see, this is positive, this is positive. It is positive 7y negative 18y, which is equal to 30. Right? So 7y and negative 11y, which is equal to negative 11y equal to 30. You have to divide it by 11, 11 with here. So this will cross each other. So I will write down the, okay, y is equal to, I can write down here, negative y is equal to 30 over 11, but we do not want this negative as well. So y is equal to, just here it is negative 30 over 11. It means multiply both sides of the equation with negative. So this is negative, negative, positive, and it will be negative. This is your answer, and this is the linear equation because we have the value of y, which is equal to negative 30 over 11. Practice this question. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.